what's your advice for anyone that wants to become an industry titan, whether it's 3D printing or in another industry? Words of wisdom from you, Professor.
It's going to be about being flexible and continuous learning. And some of what's in Sater's book is, exactly what people need to learn. And it's not going to be just people, but whole organizations. And building the right culture for that is going to be important, because people are going to have to give up what they thought was science. These engineers that can design for conventional machines, you should see the stuff that gets designed on 3D printers. Instead of girders holding up things with, boxy kind of structures, the girders, now the new structure is more organic, and things are bent around, and it looks twisted, and you look at it and you say, geez, I would never have thought of that.